Thank you. As we move into this more reverent space, I'll ask Terry Dupras to come and give us our reading.
Good morning. God Creates Buildings by Jim Eychaner. God creates buildings to help bring about perfect unfolding of the universe, to shelter and protect families and individuals, to gather people together for the sharing of knowledge, and to provide a space of worship wherein God is acknowledged in prayer, meditation, praise, and thanks. A church is a window on the consciousness of the universe. It is a place where we formally remind ourselves of the spiritual reality of human life. A church building is akin to a human body. The body functions, but the true life and direction come from the soul dwelling within. If the church building is akin to the human body, then the membership that builds, maintains, and directs the building and its activities is akin to the human soul. The building is the body and the people of the soul. Without the people, the building is as lifeless as raw materials would have been if left unappreciated and undeveloped. So too the structure and people are mingled as one. The people bring the beauty, durability, utility, and the utility of the building to the life. So the cycle of the blessing is continuous and eternal. God giving life to people who give life to material objects to bring about God's purposes. It is our privilege now to acknowledge that cycle, to accept our blessings, and to give thanks.